Text function in Excel is used to convert a numeric value to a text string in a specific format. See the syntax for the text function. First argument value, a numeric value that you want to convert into text. Second argument format text, the format that you want to apply. Supplied as a format code enclosed in the quotation marks. The text function returns a number formatted as text. Basic placeholders that you can use in your custom Excel format. 0 is equal to digit placeholder that displays insignificant zeros. Pound, digit placeholder that represents optional digits and does not display extra zeros. We can control the number of decimal places to display. The location of the decimal point in the format code is represented by a period. The required number of decimal places is defined by zeros. Use text function to format the numbers in column A using format codes in row 1. 0 or pound display the nearest integer with no decimal places. 0.5 is formatted to 1 and so on. .0 or pound.0 display one decimal place. 0.0 displays insignificant 0 and pound.0 does not. .00 or pound.00 display two decimal places. 0.000 or pound.000 display three decimal places and so on. If the format code has only pound signs to the left of the decimal point, numbers less than 1 begin with a decimal point. For example, 0.5 in a cell with pound.00 format will display as 0.5 without a leading 0. If you use pound format, it will not display anything. Example, 0.25 formatted with pound does not display anything. To create an Excel custom number format with a thousand separator, include comma in the format code. Pound, comma, pound, display a thousands separator and no decimal places. Pound, comma, pound, 0.00 display a thousand separator and two decimal places. You can round numbers by thousand, million, etc. If pound digit placeholder follows a comma, it scales the number by thousand. Consecutive commas scale the numbers by million and so on. Pound.00 comma and pound.00 comma will format to two decimal places. You can add both numbers and text using the format code. To display a single character, precede the character with a backslash. To display thousands, 0, \k. To display millions, 0, \m. When joining text and a number, use the text function in Excel to format that number. For example, we have the value in A2 formatted to currency. In B2, if we concatenate the value without the text function, only the number is added. Use the text function with currency format to display currency. For percentage, apply a percentage format. To display a fraction, use the fraction format and add the trim function to remove the leading space. To display a number in scientific notation, use the following format code. If you don't know the right format code, you can use the Format Cells dialog box to find the right format code. For example, select A7, right-click and then click on Format Cells. Select the custom and click on a format code. Excel gives you a preview of how the number will be formatted under sample. You can customize based on your needs. Once you find the right display format, click in the type box, select the format code and copy this code. Click on cancel. Paste the format code into your text function. Don't forget to enclose the format code in double quotation marks. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.